Guys, what's up, man? It's your boy Ron, the producer, and on this quick tutorial I'm going to show you a free plugin that you can use to either double your vocals or make them thick. Let's go. We're going to open up this plugin right here. Now this plugin right here is going to make your vocals a little thick. Okay, so as you see, the spread is basically, the more you go this way, you're going to spread your vocals to make them really wide. Distance is pretty much these knobs right here. As you see, the spectrum right here, you can make them go all the way over. You can make the distance be even more thicker, even more wider. And this right here is 100% spread and 100% distance. So this is going to make your vocals pretty wide. This right here is a frequency range. This is more the low end, mid right here. So if you want to just focus on the mid range area, you can just have it here. Or you can, for vocals, I recommend, if you really want a wide vocal, go ahead and just let it just go all the way in. Okay, so we're gonna have it set at that range. I got the vocal turned up, and we're gonna go down and up to find our sweet spot. So we're gonna pin this vocal right here, or this plug-in, and we're going to see what we got.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. Got me feeling like I.
Now as you see right here, I got it pan left 13. Let's go ahead and bring it closer so you can feel it more.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. I feel like I can't make it to tomorrow. All these worries in my mind think I can't let go.
That's more in the mid-range area, so we're really messing with that mid right there.
Oh Lord, give me strength.
Alright, I like that, so let's turn it down.
Here we go, here we go, here we go. Got me feeling like I'm losing all control. Here we go, here we go, here we go. I feel like I can't make it to tomorrow. All these worries in my mind think I can't let go.
But I would definitely recommend putting this on dubs, background vocals, stacks. Just play with this plugin. Again, this plugin is a real easy to figure out plugin. Just a few knobs. Spread, you go all the way down here. Distance decides how close you want these points to be in the spectrum. Just play with it. Find your sound. Once you find your sound, I definitely recommend putting a preset on there and using it every time. Okay, guys, this is your boy Ron, the producer at Workhouse Studio. Please subscribe. Also follow me on Instagram at Workhouse Studio. Until then, peace.